guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, hi guys, for today's video, we will going to do another creative holiday makeup, which is inspired by AZINA GRAY. So this is, it's called Christmas makeup routine like that. And so yeah, if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and don't forget to comment, like, share in this video. And at the same time, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts: Instagram at Darcy-Rada and Facebook Darcy-Rada. And without further ado, let's jump out to the video. After I apply my concealer and the foundation and concealer from after to Lena, now it's time to do my contour. And if you can watch my rest of the video how to contour. Yeah, here 9 contour stick that I wanted for 19 pesos. Time to blend. I now about to apply setting powder. Yeah. There is it. I will be now applying my bronzer. After I did everything, short, it's about to do the brows from. I will be using this Basket palette from West. Okay. Sorry for that. Oh, sure. We're now about to do the eyeshadow. I will be using this Beauty Glaze. Yeah. I'm already done with my eyes, and time to remove the powder. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm almost done, and the details of come since my phone will about to die to the, I mean below that na, and I don't have enough storage, so I'm gonna finish the look of that. Bye. Hi guys, this is the finished look. If you like it, if you want to see more videos, creating makeup, and many more, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts, which I upload the finished look or the pictures of my finished look. So, see you again on my next video. Bye bye!